Welcome to a new era of sustainable development with Fortis Invicta, a pioneer in creating innovative solutions that power green jobs. At the heart of our efforts is the Gambian Integrated Modular Refinery, a project that exemplifies our commitment to a circular economy. This facility seamlessly combines multiple operations including a halal abattoir, fruit and vegetable dehydration, and agro-waste valorization. Our integrated approach ensures that each stage of production is both efficient and sustainable. By utilizing advanced technologies, we convert potential waste into valuable resources, reducing environmental impact and creating economic opportunities. This circular economy revolution not only supports local economies, but also paves the way for a greener planet. Through our initiatives, we are laying the groundwork for thousands of green jobs, empowering communities and fostering sustainable growth. Join us in this transformative journey. Visit our website at www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more about how Fortis Invicta is making a difference.